Good morning everyone. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about some changes. Previous lectures I have discussed about the changing around us. There are two types of changes: physical changes and chemical changes. Physical changes are temporary changes, chemical changes are permanent changes. But previous lectures I have discussed and I have given many examples of the physical changes. In same topics, today again we will discuss in detail and describe about the physical changes. So I will give you example. In physical changes, there are different occurring characteristics of changes: states, color, temperature, combination, composition, different things. So I will give you some examples for breaking of chalk sticks, breaking of ice, breaking of glass tumbler, or dissolving salt in water, or dissolving sugar in water. These are the example of the physical changes. So one by one, why are you saying these are the physical changes? We will discuss here. And first, I will give you melting of ice and freezing of water. Melting of ice and freezing of water. As all of you know, water starts boiling at the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius and freezing of water is start at 0 degrees Celsius. So melting of ice means ice convert into water, is known as the physical change. Similarly, freezing of water means water convert into ice. It is also known as the physical change. Means when you will apply the heat in ice, then ice convert into water, and when you will absorb or take out some heat from the water, then it will be converted into ice. These are known as the physical change. Melting of ice and freezing of water is known as the physical change. Next, boiling of water and condensation of water, steam. Condensation of steam. Boiling of water. Water starts boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. So when you will apply the heat, taking some water in a hard glass break, how will you describe this? How will you experiment this? Taking some water in a hard glass beaker or vessels and heat it by the applying some heat or kept on the burner till it starts boiling, means water starts boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. Then you will apply the heat up to 100 degrees Celsius. When water starts boiling, then we can see the water or steam of water rising in upward direction. So from the surface of the water. So hot water, now water in liquid form. Then when you apply the heat, then these water convert into the steam. Means boiling of water only change in state has taken place. So the boiling of water is a physical change. There will be no changing in the composition of water. That's molecules of water convert into steam, not convert in the chemical combination. So this is known as the physical changes. These are known means boiling of water means water convert into steam. These are known as the physical changes. Similarly, during the condensation means when we take out or absorb some heat from the steam, then that steam convert into water. Means this process is known as the condensation. Means when you start boiling of the water, then water convert into steam, then it is known as the evaporation. And when you start freezing of the water or freezing of the steam, then steam convert into water, and when again you start freezing, then water convert into ice. These are known as this process known as the condensation, evaporation and condensation. So this is also known as the physical change. So thus evaporation and condensation means evaporation. This process is known as the melting of ice. Melting of ice from water converted into steam. These are known as the evaporation. And when steam convert into ice or steam convert into water, you cannot convert steam directly into ice. First you have to convert ice into steam into water, then water convert into ice. These are known as the condensation. Means ice convert into water, water convert into steam, and then steam convert into water, and water convert into ice. So this is known as the evaporation, and this process is known as condensation. So after this, next example, making of solution. Making of solution. So making of solution, we take some water in a vessel or bowl and dissolve some common salt, NaCl. Common salt means sodium chloride. Common salt in it. You will take bowl, fill up from water, and you will take some particles of salt and dissolve in it, mix in it. The salt disappears after some time. The salt disappears in water and forms a salt solution. So a change has taken place of salt. Change has taken place in making salt solution. Means when salt dissolves in water, salt disappears in water, then it will make a salt solution. So the dissolving of salt in water is a physical change. Similarly, dissolving of sugar in water is also physical change. Means whenever you want take out of salt from the salt solution, then you can find easily by the different methods. In yesterday year, means previous lecture years, you have studied about the separation of substances. So how can you find out salt from the salt solution or sugar from the sugar solution? Already you have know. So salt solution means making of salt. Making of solution means salt mixed in water. Salt solution or sugar mixed in water. Sugar solution are known as the physical change. Now next, breaking of glass tumbler. Breaking of glass tumbler. Breaking of glass tumbler means tearing of paper, tearing of cloth, folding of paper. These are the example of the physical change. Similarly, when a glass tumbler breaks, it forms many pieces, and every piece is known as the glass. Each broken piece of a glass tumbler in steel glass, not changing any other matters. So during the breaking of glass tumbler, only one size and shape of glass. What will you change? They are only changing in the size and shape of the glass has changed, but no new substances has been taken from. So the breaking of glass tumbler is known as the physical change. Means physical change is always a temporary changes. Physical change only change in the shape. Physical change can be changed in the color. Physical change can change in the states. Means solid, liquid and gases. So these are the example of the physical changes. And after physical changes, I will discuss about the chemical changes in next lecture. Okay, thank you.